Hey, it's Jill with TenMarks, and I wanted to give you a real quick update because there are some exciting new changes to your TenMarks account. What I'm going to show you is about three of my favorite new areas. There will be several changes when you log in the next time to your TenMarks account. Most notably, you are going to see a new home page. So we've added a really cool new dashboard that allows you to toggle between your different classes. And the most important thing to note here is that you're going to be getting kind of a week at a glance. Uh, the system is going to show you what's going on right now or this week, and it's going to give you links to the important areas in your account. So for instance, if I wanted to work on my grade 5 class, I actually have a grade 5, a grade 8, and an algebra class, so I could toggle here in the upper corner. I also could add a class from this first screen, just giving it a new name, and this will look very similar. But if I'm at my home page, that home page gives you this at a glance feature. To click Manage Your Class will take you to the screen that you're very familiar with, where you can look at your class summary dashboard. This is where I like to view the results that my students have been getting in my classes. And so it's probably just going to be taking a little bit of what you know and love about TenMarks and just summarizing it for you in new ways. I really like the fact that if two of my students haven't been using hints and they're scoring below 75%, I'll get a note on that and I can click specifically on those students. Since it's early in the school year, I also think it's really handy to be able to download your roster and parent letters right from this main page. And you'll from time to time see things called out for you here on this first page, but it just gives you a nice new way to get into TenMarks. The next thing that is substantially different and really a huge enhancement is that when you click on your assignments and you specifically click on your closed detail report, this is going to give you a whole new look and feel. The same insights and data will be there. Specifically, the top 3 most common mistakes are going to be called out just like you've always been used to. And you will also see for your students the specific results from the assignment. In this case, maybe I want to look at a slightly different, let me look at a class that has a little bit more data in it for us here. Let's look at this one where I can see that 4 of my students have completed it, and you'll see the top mistakes are here, including the ability to see who was making those mistakes. It's moved up on the page, which I really like. And one of the things that you'll notice is that all of the same results are here, but when you're looking in and around this part of the screen, you'll notice that for your premium classes, you actually have this new button called one-click differentiation. And what this allows you to do is to just click that you want to always accept the recommendations for the challenge area or the review area. So let's talk about that. So the review area is going to be for work that is remediation. So if I've just been working on an assignment and I've gotten feedback that my students are not yet at 60% or greater, that would be an automatic differentiation where I would give them the foundational work for 5.OA.2. This is basically the Common Core progressions leading up to success in this particular standard. The challenge work, on the other hand, is going to give students the enrichment work. So in many cases, if you have students who are easily mastering the assignments that you're giving them for the whole class instruction, you may want to give them something that accelerates them while other students are working on amplifiers and do-overs. And so this is now something that you can do just by clicking on that Add All to Playlists and accepting the recommendations. So that's a really easy new kind of a way of using the assignments and the results of the assignments to drive the playlist. So now when you look at the playlist area, you'll actually be able to see that the playlists have been added here. The final thing I want to point out is that in your reports area, you're going to have a new way of looking at the results from your class. So this is going to build out over time. Right now you're seeing I've just assigned 2 discrete standards, and I'll be able to have a lot of new sorting capabilities. So if I wanted to see only my students who were low, I could click those things, and now I'm seeing just the student Madison here who's in the below 60 percentile, or I could see specific domains, I could see just specific date ranges, and I can look at not only the curriculum whole class assignments, but I can actually look just at those things that are being delivered through the playlists, which is really a new and exciting feature. I think that this is probably enough for right now. The exciting new features will be ones that we'll learn and play with together. They're releasing tonight, August 27th. And so if you have any questions, please let us know at support@tenmarks.com. Thanks so much.